Yes, hello everyone. We are back again. I hope all of you are fine. So, day before yesterday, we have completed half of the lesson of social studies. I hope everyone have gone through the lesson and understood the topic. And I think we have given homework also for the particular subject. I hope you people have done with your homework as well. So, today I am going to start with general science for class 4th. Okay. So I want everyone to take out your term reader, page number 98, lesson number 1, adaptation in plants, as I have written over here. Okay, so let us start. What is adaptation in plants? Adaptation in plants का मतलब ही क्या है? जो heading दिया गया है यहाँ पे, what does it mean? Adaptation is nothing but the features of plants, like how there are many plants. Some are tall, some are short, isn't it? Some plants will grow on land, some are water aquatic plants, isn't it? So here this lesson will totally teach us about the plants. What is the difference between land plants as well as aquatic plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants? So let us begin. Plants are found all over the world. They live and grow in different surroundings. Yes, if wherever you go, you will find plants. It is surrounded all over the world. हर जगह आप कहीं भी जाओ आपको हर जगह पे plants मिलेंगे. So where do they live? They live and grow in different surroundings. Not all the plants grow on land. हम plants को देखते हैं, हम pots में भी plants को grow कर सकते हैं. Isn't it? So it does not mean कि हर plant को pot में ही grow किया जाता है. There are many plants which have their own style of growing. Some plants grow in water, others grow on land. Some plants grow at cold places, others grow in hot deserts. So again there is a difference. Like some plants will grow in water. They cannot grow in land, and the plants which can grow in land, they cannot grow in water. Okay, so the plants which can grow on land, they cannot grow in water. Some plants they can grow in cold places, like example fruits. Fruit is also type of plant. Okay, so सर्दी वाले fruits अलग रहते हैं, summer वाले fruits अलग रहते हैं, winters के fruits अलग रहते हैं. During summer, yes, one thing which you like, that is mango. This mango cannot come during winter season. It can come during summer season. Okay, so some plants will grow according to the seasons wise. Next, the weather condition and type of soil affect the growth of plant. So plant develop some special feature to live successfully in their natural surroundings. Like we living beings, अगर हमको proper खाना ना मिले, so definitely हम बीमार होंगे. We will get fever, many other diseases. Similarly, for plants also, it is very important that they can grow with a special features. Like some plants can grow on land, it means they can grow on land. And with a good soil. Soil क्या है? Soil वो है जिसके वजह से plants खाना खाते हैं. Okay? With the help of photosynthesis. Soil is also a type of food for the plant. So if the soil is not good, definitely the plant will not grow. Next, the features of living beings that help it to live in a particular place are called adaptation. So this is what adaptation. Adaptation is nothing but the feature by which the plant can grow on a particular place. जहाँ पे वो grow कर सकता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको adaptation बोलते हैं. That is a feature of the plant. All the living beings, including plants, adapt themselves to the surroundings in order to survive. The natural home of a plant or an animal from which it gets food and shelter is called its habitat. So yes, all the living beings, we living beings, animals, plants, we have our own things, okay, by which we can live. हम लोग desert में जाके नहीं रह सकते. We people cannot live in the water. We have land to survive. Animals do have land to survive. Birds have the sky to survive. Similarly, the plants have its own adaptation. And the adaptation by which the plant or an animal will get its food as well as shelter is called as what? Habitat. What does it call? Habitat. Depending on the surroundings where they grow, that is their habitat, there are 3,80,000 types of plants known today. Plants can be divided into two types, aquatic or water plant and terrestrial or land plants. So depending on the surroundings, by watching each and every plant, so we have found that there are 3,80,000 types of plant. It means कि एक प्लांट सब सेम नहीं है, 3,80,000 प्लांट नहीं है, टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट है वो. एक प्लांट डिफरेंट है तो सेकेंड प्लांट और डिफरेंट है, थर्ड प्लांट और डिफरेंट है. लाइक दैट वाइज वी गॉट 3,80,000 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स which differ from place to place, or you can see which can grow in as aquatic plant or which can grow as a terrestrial plant. So depending on this, the plants have been divided into two types. First one is what? Aquatic or water plant, and second one is what? Terrestrial or land plant. So let us see what does aquatic or water plant means. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plant. First, plants on the earth were the water plant over 3 million years ago. Aquatic plants are of three types: free floating, fixed floating, underwater plants. So aquatic plant is nothing but the plant which can grow only in water. वही प्लांट को निकाल के अगर आप पॉट में रखेंगे तो it will not grow. It need what? Water. So that's why it is called as what? Aquatic plant or water plant, for which that plant it is necessary for that plant to grow in water, to keep in the water, otherwise it will not grow. So over 3 billion years ago it was said that the earth were full of water plant. 3 billion years ago it was said that first the plant on the earth were water plant. सबसे पहला अगर अर्थ में 3 बिलियन ईयर्स अगो पहला अगर कोई प्लांट था तो इट वाज वाटर प्लांट. सो अगेन दिस एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? फ्री फ्लोटिंग, फिक्स्ड फ्लोटिंग एंड अंडर वाटर प्लांट. लेट अस सी फ्री फ्लोटिंग प्लांट. Aquatic plants which float on the surface of water are called free floating plant. Their roots are not fixed in the soil at the bottom of the water. They float because they are small, light and spongy. Water hyacinth, duckweed and water chestnut are free floating plant. So free floating plant का मतलब है कि जो plants which will grow on the surface of the water. Surface of the water in the sense, now this is what surface. ये क्या है? ये surface है. So the plants which will grow on the surface of the water, that is called as what? Free floating plant. It means ये पानी है तो पानी के नीचे प्लांट का कोई भी पार्ट नहीं है. There is no part at the bottom of the water. So these plants will flow on the surface of the water. Next, what are the examples they are saying? Like why they will float on water? Because their weight is they are very small, they have a light weight and they are spongy structure. So that's why they can easily float on water. Usually आप अगर पानी में आप कोई heavy चीज को डालेंगे, so some या कोई भी चीज का पानी में डालेंगे, so some will sink and some things will float. So the things which are floating on the water, it means what? It has a light weight. And the things which sink in water, it means it is very heavy weight. Similarly, the plants which float on water or the plants which have a free floating, it means it is of very lightweight and spongy structure. That's why they can float on the water and no part will be there at the bottom of the water. Few examples are given like water hyacinth, duckweed and water chestnut. Next, fixed floating plant. These plants remain fixed in the soil at the bottom of the pond by long hollow stem and deep roots. Their broad leaves float on the surface of the water. Leaf stalks are spongy and filled with air. Leaves have tiny porous stomata only on their upper surface for respiration. Water lily and lotus are fixed floating plants. Now what is fixed floating plants? Fixed floating plants are nothing but उसका soil. Okay, what is fixed floating plant? It's nothing but the soil. Now this is what water. Okay. Now free floating plants means what? The water will lie over here only. The plant will lie over the surface of the water. But fixed floating plant means जो उसका रूट है, जो उसके स्टेम्स है, वो पानी के अंदर है. That is very deep. वो पानी के अंदर तक जा सकते. The roots as well as the stem. And जो ऊपर है, above the surface of the water, it will have just a leaf and a flower. So it is connected with the bottom as well as it is connected to the surface. Both bottom as well as surface. That is called as what? Fixed floating plants. So they are very spongy structure and filled with air. So these leaves are very spongy structure and it is filled with air. Okay. Leaves have tiny pores, stomata, only on the upper surface for respiration. So this fixed floating plants leaves, they will have a tiny pores like this, and this pores help the leaf for respiration. Respiration means what? To take air, to breathe. Respiration is nothing but breathing. तो सांस लेने के लिए ये लीफ में क्या है? Pores है, and this pores help the plant to breathe. Next, water lily and lotus are fixed floating plants. You can see over examples over here. These two plants, lotus and water lily. These are the examples of fixed floating plants. Next, underwater plants. These are fixed water plants. These plants remain completely immersed in the water. These plants have narrow ribbon-like leaves but no pores. They breathe dissolved air by their entire body surface and help in keeping the water clean. That is why they grow in an aquarium. Pondweed, tape grass and hydrilla are underwater plant. So underwater plant means what? Now suppose this is of water. So few plants are there which will grow under the water. जो surface के बाहर आता ही नहीं है, जो direct underwater रहता है, पूरा पानी के अंदर. That is called as what? Underwater plant. So these plants also have leaves. Okay, but the leaf structure is like what? A ribbon. Ribbons की तरह उसके leaves रहते हैं. और जैसे कि ये leaf को pores है, but this underwater plant leaves does not have pores. They themselves they breathe and they dissolve in air, and the entire body surface help in keeping water clean. So this plant helps to keep the water clean. कहीं भी पानी में अगर आप ये प्लांट को डालेंगे, so this will help the water to be, वो साफ पानी रहता है. So that's why these type of plants are grown in aquarium. We will grow these plants in an aquarium. And what are the two examples which is given over here? Pondweed, tape grass and hydrilla are underwater plants. So these are the, you can see over here in the picture also. आप देखो ये जो भी plants है ये पानी के अंदर है, under the water. So if you see over here, see the leaves, it's like a ribbon. Okay, but it does not have any pores. So they themselves, they respirate and the entire body surface helps in keeping the water clean. So till here this is enough. Then again in the next session we will do with terrestrial or land plants. So these were the types of aquatic plants. There were three types: free floating plant, fixed floating plant, underwater plant. Then again in the next class we will do terrestrial or land plants. Till the time you go through the lesson, read it, understand it, watch the video twice or thrice time. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.